Hello, today I'm going to be showing some basic geometry vocabulary. So we're going to start with a point. And a point is an exact location in a space or flat surface. And over here you can tell that a point is basically just like a dot. And this specific point is called point A since it is labeled with its name. Next we have a plane. And a plane is a flat two-dimensional surface that extends infinitely far. Here are two quick sketches of planes. Here you can see that it's showing how a plane is infinitely far. There's no end to it. And here's another drawing which shows some of the labeled points on the plane. Next we have a line. And a line is a line of points that extends infinitely in two directions. For example, here, this line you can tell both of these lines are infinite on both sides. And now, for example, if we wanted to name this top line, we can write down its two labeled points, which are A and B, and we can put a line symbol right on top. And so here we would be showing that this line is line AB. Next, we have a line segment, which is actually a part of a line with two endpoints. So what is really important to remember between a line and a line segment is that a line is infinitely in two directions and a line segment has two endpoints. Like over here, here's a line segment and here are the two endpoints. Now, for example, if this line segment was labeled A and B and we wanted to name it, we would just put a line segment on top and put an A and AB. So there we would be naming line segment AB. We can also put the endpoints here. Next, we have a ray. And a ray is something that starts at one point and extends in the other direction forever. For example, here, we can see that it starts at R, at point R, and then from this side, it goes on infinitely. So if we wanted to name this, we would put the two labeled points. And it's important to realize that R is first and then N, as R is the starting point. And there you go. So that would be ray Rn. Now an angle is formed when two rays share an endpoint. So over here you can see that P is the shared point, and here's one ray, and here's the second ray. So this would actually be ray PR, and this would be ray PQ. And put together, they become angle RPQ. So if you want to label that, here's the angle. And we can do RPQ. And it's important to realize that the P is in the middle as it is the point that is shared between both rays that make it an angle. So that is it for basic geometry vocabulary. And thank you.